From local authorities to Friuli Venezia Giulia dwellers, everyone is looking forward to spending the holiday season in the region. How are you going to be spending your Christmas holidays?
In Trieste. I have to work. I have a lot of things to do here. I have my family here, so we'll stay here these holidays.
And for New Year's as well?
Yes,
Great.
because I love Trieste and I like to spend my holidays in the town.
Capodanno.
Finalmente mi godo la famiglia, le mie tre nipotine e lo sport perché io rilasso e anche scarico le tensioni.
Ma allora, in famiglia, però sempre con un occhio al porto, perché io sono entrato da pochi giorni, da 2 settimane, e quindi sto acquisendo tutta una serie di informazioni, per cui rimango qui a Trieste e tra l'altro abito anche vicino al porto, quindi sarà famiglia e porto, famiglia e porto.
Because I love Christmas and I love the magic of Christmas, and so I stay with my family, my friends, and wish a Merry Christmas to all of our city.
Doing over the holiday season.
First of all, I'm gonna visit my family in Piacenza for like 3 or 4 days, and then I'm gonna come back here. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna watch the fireworks on the Molo Dace on the night of New Year's Eve.
Over the holidays, I will spend them at my home. I live near Udine, so I also probably visit some mountains over there. I will be hiking and also skiing because you have some beautiful mountains, and these are my
I'm
plans.
gonna work, but I also study, so I have to start studying for the exam session. So that's just what I'm going to do.
I'm actually here just for like the holidays because I'm studying like abroad, not here. But I was born here. I've been living here, so I'm just staying with my family, with my friends, something like that. I actually don't know exactly what I'm doing.